On behalf of AGI Infra Limited and the Bombay Stock Exchange, I welcome you all for the IPO listing ceremony and thank you for taking time out so early during the day. The AGI Group is a reputed Punjab-based group having its presence in the construction industry for more than 14 years. The AGI Group has delivered a number of high-rise buildings in Punjab and has, to its credit, everything from residential flats to commercial properties to esteemed infrastructure projects. The AGI Group comprises of 3 companies: AGI Builders, AGI Hospitalities Private Limited, and AGI Infra Limited, which is being listed on the BSE SME exchange today. AGI Infra Limited is an integrated construction and real estate development company focused primarily on construction and development of commercial, residential projects in and around Punjab. It was incorporated in the year 2005 as GI Builders Private Limited, jointly promoted by Mr. Sukhdev Singh and Mrs. Salwinderjeet Kaur, with the vision of providing premium housing at fair prices. The name of GI Builders was later changed to the present-day AGI Infra Limited in the year 2011. The company has shown substantial growth in the last few years, where their revenues have grown from 485.55 lakhs in fiscal 2010 to 3,046.21 lakhs in fiscal 2014, representing a compounded annual growth rate of 58.26%. Similarly, the profits after tax too have significantly increased from 88.92 lakhs in fiscal 2010 to 274.1 lakhs in fiscal 2014, representing a CAGR of 32.49%. Obviously, the company thrives on many of its strengths, like an in-house architectural and designing team which coordinates the entire process of delivering a research-based project from its conceptualization to completion, an established brand name and execution track record with an existence of 14 years in the industry and successful timely delivery of 12 projects, experienced promoters and efficient management team, owned fleet of capital equipments that enhances the capability to execute projects with their higher operational and financial efficiency, and of course, many more. Let's hear the rest of it from the company spokespersons, and to start the proceedings, I request our dignitaries to join me on the dais and also accept the welcome bouquets. Please welcome with me first Mr. Sukhdev Singh, Managing Director, AGI Infra Limited. Requesting now the presence of Mr. Nayan Mehta, CFO, BSE Limited. Next, I request Mr. Varinder Singh, Senior Manager Projects, AGI Infra Limited, to kindly join us. And lastly, I request the presence of Mr. Shripal Shah, Executive Director, Aryaman Financial Services Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please give our dignitaries a big round of applause and a warm welcome. Now, to begin this auspicious event, I would request Mr. Sukhdev Singh, Managing Director of the company, to lead us in the lamp lighting ceremony, along with other members on the dais. Thank you. I now request Mr. Sukhdev Singh to kindly come and say a few words to us. So.
Good morning to everybody. All the officials from BSE, SEM, and the officials from RMN Financial Services and Big Shares, and my colleagues. Today is a very special day for us, and I feel impressed, immense pleasure to be here in the capacity of Managing Director of AGI Infra Limited on this special occasion. This could all happen with the support, guidance, and hard work of all the team members who have been worked on this IPO. In fact, we were under the impression that to go for an IPO is a cumbersome job, and it involves a lot of hustles, formalities, and expense. Only 6 months ago, we happened to come across with the information about BSE SME and thought it can be possible. So we talked about it with the BSE SME head, Shri Ajay Thakur, who has not only explained us in detail, but also motivated us and encouraged us to come up with the IPO. And finally, the decision was made, and we were required to appoint a merchant banker who was to make it happen. We met 2-3 merchant bankers. After detailed discussions, we decided to go with the RMN Financial Services Limited, headed by Mr. Shripal. And today I feel that this decision was right, and he made it to happen. In the last 6 months, our team, headed by Shri Ashwinikant Agrawal, exchanged numerous emails, communication with the team of RMN Financial Services, and officials from both sides really worked very hard to bring this IPO. To work with the office of RMN Financial Services and BSE SEM in the last 6 months, we find it very informative, supportive, and meaningful. They always guided us and helped us to achieve the goal. Now, I want to thank and congratulate all the officials from BSE SEM, officials from the RMN Financial Services and Big Shares, and my colleagues who jointly worked to materialize this IPO. And above all, I want to convey my sincere thanks to all my investors who have put in their hard-earned money in the company. And I hope the company will touch the new heights in the near future to come. Thanks.
Thank you, Mr. Singh. We would now love to hear what a great body like BSE has to say about this IPO. Requesting Mr. Nayan Mehta, CFO BSE, to kindly come and say a few words to us.
Good morning, everyone. Nice to have you on 27th of March, 2015. A momentous occasion for AGI Infra team. Really commendable job. When I heard, a business growth of 58% and a profit growth of 32%, how many companies in India do really achieve this thing? It's a really commendable job, Shri Sukhdev Singh. We must appreciate the work you are doing. Really nice. Especially when, when in the last 5 years, whenever we have been talking with anybody, they have been saying, oh, there is mandi, market is down, nobody's picking up things. So must appreciate the efforts which is going on by your team. So I welcome all of you to the BSE International Convention Hall for the listing ceremony of AGI Infra on the BSE SME platform. I would like to welcome Shri Sukhdev Singh, Managing Director, AGI Infra, Shri Varinder Singh, Shri Shripal Shah, and everyone present here. This convention hall has seen the development of Indian capital markets over the past many decades. First, this hall was used as a trading ring. People used to come and, trade. That means all these pillars you see, A, B, C, D, E, F. So the jobbers of those companies would stand here. And suppose, if we were still working like that, probably, you will find AGI Infra somewhere here, probably. The jobber for AGI Infra standing here. So this hall has seen a lot, and now, okay, it is still continuing to see a lot. And we are happy that, we are using this hall for occasions which are very auspicious. So since inception, we started in 1875 as Native Share and Stockbrokers Association. And since inception, BSE has been at the forefront of capital raising. Today, we have got around 5,000 companies or more which are listed on the exchange, around 5,625 if I believe correctly. And this many companies are listed. And it is the largest stock exchange in terms of listed companies in the world. No other stock exchange has so many listed companies. So you can imagine, that BSE has been the platform which is the select platform for entrepreneurs, people who want to raise capital, people who want to really go to newer levels. If you go to any other exchange, they will say, no, boss, you have to be big, this big size, then you can come to us. We say, no, you come and grow here. We'll grow along with you. About AGI Infra Limited, it's very commendable. It was incorporated in 2005. 10 years ago as an integrated construction and real development estate company, focused primarily on construction and development of commercial residential projects in and around Punjab. A company has already delivered a few projects and are in the process of constructing few more. I would like to mention here, that I was just talking with Shripal before this meeting, just before it started. And he said that, this company has very humble beginnings, Shri Sukhdev Singh, started as, a contractor for the government. And, he himself has built up this empire for himself now. And it really shows the entrepreneurial spirit of the Indian people and especially, of the management team here. The company also has an in-house architectural and designing team which coordinates the entire process of delivering a project from its conceptualization to completion. AGI Infra Limited is also known for quality constructions, timely delivery, which is very important, and exceeding customer expectations. Real estate is a line where people are generally unhappy. Means, any customer is unhappy, after he has dealt with any real estate company. But, I find that, when somebody says that, you have been exceeding customer expectations and you have been doing timely deliveries, that shows something. That shows, that shows class. It is something which is not Indian. It is much beyond Indian. It is global. So, AGI Infra Limited entered the primary market on 10th March 2015 with a fixed price issue of 27.76 lakhs equity shares of 10 each. Its IPO was oversubscribed by around 1.05 times, with retail category subscribed 0.29 times, and HNI institutional oversubscribed by 1.06 times. The issue closed on 13th March and with a final price of rupees 54 per share and the total issue size of 14.99 crores rupees. There are around 193 retail investors who have participated in the IPO, and the lead manager for AGI Infra Limited is Ariman Financial Services Limited, led by Shripal Shah. Shripal Shah has also been doing a very good work for this segment, BSE SME segment, and I believe that when we are working together, we are not only working for ourselves, we are working for the country. We are working for the development of the country. With the successful completion of IPO, AGI Infra Limited is now the newest member to BSE family. So, AGI Infra is the 84th company which is getting listed. We have got a few others in pipeline, but you are the 84th one. There are 83, of which 3 have already gone to the main board. And as I was talking with the Shri Sukhdev Singh ji earlier, that I expect AGI Infra to migrate to the main board and claim their own fame and as soon as possible. In BSE SME segment, our total capitalization is around 6,700 crore rupees. This is more than $1 billion. Means no SME segment in around the world, there are no SME segments around the world. In India, we started this thing and we have achieved $1 billion of market capitalization. This is also commendable. And it's not commendable only about BSE. It's commendable about the companies who are listed in this exchange. It shows the strength of the companies who are getting listed here. And with the listing process, AGI Infra Limited obviously has an additional responsibility to all shareholders, and it will have to grow shareholders' wealth as well. And what is reassuring is that Shri Sukhdev Singh Ji did mention in his speech that he cares about shareholders, and he will ensure that they will really be happy that they've invested in this company. And obviously, you'll have to maintain the highest levels of transparency and corporate governance. So obviously we expect that thing from him, having reached so far. As far as BSE is concerned, as mentioned, we have got 5,625 companies listed. And we have launched a number of new initiatives in the last few years. We have BSE derivatives, we have BSE SME, then we have institutional trading platform in BSE SME segment. We trade in interest rate futures. And BSE SME platform has the 95% market share today. We are the foremost exchange in terms of our platform. And last year only, in February, we launched an institutional trading platform in the BSE SME segment to facilitate startup companies and SMEs to list without an IPO. But frankly, I believe that companies which get listed through an IPO are more credible. They show the strength. They show the strength of conviction of the investors. India's first stock exchange has also become the fastest as BSE upgraded its trading platform to Bolt Plus. We switched our technology after 1 year ago, and today our trading efficiency response time is 200 microseconds. We are several times faster than the competition, and probably one of the fastest exchanges in the global. We are not the fastest, but one of the fastest exchanges around the world. Traders can now put in around 5 lakh orders per second, adding a completely new dimension to the trading history in Indian stock markets. If you can put 5 lakh orders per second, probably 5 lakh is the number of orders which IRCTC might not be getting in a day, or many other online platforms might not be getting the total orders in a day. And we can accept in 1 second this many orders. So I would like to extend my best wishes to AGI Infra Limited and its entire team on this momentous occasion and wish them all the success in its future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta. And quickly, we would like to invite Mr. Shripal Shah, Executive Director, Aryaman Financial Services, to kindly come and say a few words.
I thank you all for coming here this morning. Firstly, obviously, I would like to thank Nayan Bhai for coming on such short notice to grace this occasion and support us. I would like to thank Sukhdev Ji for this opportunity to be part of this growth of what I think is going to be one of the very best companies of SME exchange so far, in my opinion. I would like to thank Agarwal Ji for all the help during coordination stage. See, normally real estate, when you take a real estate proposal to any investor, the problem is that it's very difficult to do accounting for such companies. How much money comes in, how much money goes out. The accounting is a complicated thing in real estate. And in India, a lot of real estate still gets sold over and above its fair value. So it was a very challenging task for us to prepare a prospectus for a company like this. It was also a challenging task to bring investors and make sure that the issue sails through. And I think hopefully we have succeeded, and we will be taking these things forward. I thank you all once again.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for the most awaited moment of the ceremony. I request the officials on the dais to kindly move towards the bell for the opening bell ceremony. For the countdown. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, AGI Infra Limited is now listed on the BSE SME Exchange. Thank you, gentlemen. We are coming, I'm sorry. Let's formally appreciate by presenting bouquet of flowers as mementos to all the members who have made this IPO a reality today. First of all, I request Mr. Nayan Mehta, CFO, BSE, to now present a memento to Mr. Sukhdev Singh, MD, AGI Infra Limited. I now request Mr. Sukhdev Singh to present mementos to our dignitaries, and inviting first is Mr. Shreya Shah, Aryaman Capital Markets Limited. Inviting next, Ms. Tejal Patangar, Kanga and Company. Requesting Mr. Singh to now present the bouquet to Mr. Ashok Shetty, Big Share. And now requesting the presence of Mr. Sushil Behel from Raka Advertising. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I once again take this opportunity to thank all of you for making this event very successful with your presence and support. Kindly join us for refreshments hereafter and have a great day ahead. Thank you.